Let's take a look at money and percent interest. Okay, so in this question, we're going to say that you got $1,000. Okay, you're getting 5% interest for 2 months. Okay, 1,000, 5% for 2 months. And what do you have at the end of the 2 months? Okay, so let's start off, right? So for month one, we go 1,000 times 0.05, and when we calculate that out, that is $50. Okay, sweet. $50 that we didn't used to have, now we got it. Okay, now when the question is, they're like, okay, well, it's $50 a month, 2 months, I made $100, and so now I have 1,100. Okay, and so that is always going to be wrong. And so if nothing else, know that like that simple answer is not the right answer. Okay, and so here's why. So now that was your month one, right? Made $50. So now your new total going into month two is 1,050 times that same 0.05, right? And so this is not going to equal 50, right? Not going to be way different, but that number equals 52.50. Okay, and so that means our new total for the 2 months is we now made $102.50. And our new total at the end of 2 months will be 1102.50. Okay, so just try to remember with these simple interest questions is, the calculations, they're going to tend to make them like fairly straightforward for you. But it's never going to be, well, in the first month I made 50, and then the second month I also made 50. You're always going to have a new total at the beginning of month two, which will give you a little bit more than just adding up month one and assuming that month one is what you make every single month. And that's the way the interest works. It just gets a little bit better every month. That's all you got to know.